Scene script. Have you ever paused to consider the immense power that lies within the humble herbs that we often overlook? Take a moment to ponder. The emerald leaves of mint, the fiery seeds of cayenne, the delicate blossoms of chamomile, each carrying a force that goes beyond their simple, earthy existence. These are not just garnishes on your plate or ingredients in your tea. They are reservoirs of nature's wisdom, holding secrets to health and vitality that have been passed down through the ages. Herbs have stood the test of time. For thousands of years, they've been used for their medicinal properties, from the ancient Egyptians' use of garlic to ward off infections, to the Greeks' use of peppermint as a digestive aid. This isn't folklore or old wives' tales, but time-tested wisdom grounded in nature's own chemical laboratories. But the power of herbs isn't just about treating ailments or easing symptoms. It's about promoting overall well-being, about maintaining a harmony of body, mind, and spirit. That's where the concept of holistic health comes in. It's a perspective that views health not just as the absence of disease, but as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. And herbs, with their diverse range of benefits, play a crucial role in this holistic approach. Consider the humble turmeric, a golden root that's been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. It's not just a spice to add flavor to your dishes, but a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that promotes joint health. Or think of lavender, with its soothing scent that can help ease anxiety and improve sleep. These are but tiny snapshots of the profound impact that herbs can have on our health and wellness. So the next time you see a sprig of rosemary or a handful of basil leaves, pause for a moment. Reflect on the power that lies within these simple plants. Remember that they're not just additions to your meals, but potent tools for holistic health, carrying the wisdom of nature right into our homes and our lives. Indeed, the power of herbs and their role in holistic health is a testament to the wisdom of Mother Nature. So what exactly is holistic health, and how does it differ from conventional medicine? Well, the principle at the heart of holistic health is the belief that we are more than just the sum of our parts. It's a holistic approach to healthcare, seeing the body, mind, and spirit as interconnected and integral parts of the complete human being. The concept of holistic health differs significantly from the traditional model of medicine, which tends to focus on treating symptoms or specific diseases. Conventional medicine often uses a reductionist approach, breaking down the body into individual components and treating them separately. A heart for a cardiologist, a brain for a neurologist, and so on. But holistic health takes a different path. It acknowledges that our physical health is interwoven with our emotional, social, spiritual, and mental well-being. It's a multi-dimensional approach to healthcare that recognizes the profound impact our emotions, relationships, environment, and beliefs can have on our physical health. For example, consider stress. Conventional medicine may prescribe medication to manage the symptoms of stress, like high blood pressure or insomnia. But a holistic approach would look deeper, seeking to understand and address the root causes of that stress. This might involve changes in lifestyle, diet, exercise, or perhaps exploring mindfulness and meditation techniques. Holistic health also emphasizes the importance of prevention and maintaining wellness, rather than just treating illness. It encourages individuals to take responsibility for their own health, empowering them to make positive changes in their lives that can lead to improved health and well-being. It's like a garden. Each plant, each creature in the garden is important, and they all contribute to the overall health and harmony of the garden. If a single plant is sick, it can affect the whole ecosystem. Similarly, in our own lives, if one aspect of our well-being is neglected or out of balance, it can affect our overall health. Holistic health, then, is about nurturing all aspects of our being to achieve optimal health and wellness. Now let's delve into the world of herbs and explore some of their incredible healing properties. Many of us are familiar with herbs as flavor enhancers in our meals, but they also hold a wealth of potential benefits for our well-being. Today we'll take a closer look at a few commonly used herbs that have been known to promote health and wellness. First up is chamomile. This humble flower has been used for centuries in various cultures to alleviate a range of ailments. Most notably, it's a popular choice for those struggling with sleep issues or anxiety. The calming properties of chamomile can help to soothe the nervous system, promoting a sense of tranquility that can help ease you into a restful night's sleep or provide a moment of calm in an otherwise hectic day. Next we have turmeric. You might recognize this vibrant yellow spice from your favorite curry. But did you know it also packs a punch when it comes to health benefits? Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help to combat inflammation in the body, supporting joint health and even contributing to heart health. Lastly, let's talk about peppermint. This refreshing herb is not just for freshening your breath. Peppermint has been known to aid digestion, helping to soothe upset stomachs and promote healthy gut function. Whether enjoyed as a tea or used in cooking, incorporating peppermint into your diet could provide a natural boost to your digestive health. These are just a few examples of how herbs can be used to promote health and wellness. Each herb holds its own unique set of benefits, and the beauty of it is that they're all natural. So why not explore the world of herbs? You might just discover a natural remedy that perfectly aligns with your health goals. These are just a few examples of how herbs can be used to promote health and wellness. You might be wondering how you can incorporate these powerful herbs into your lifestyle. Well, it's easier than you might think. One of the simplest ways to begin is by brewing herbal teas. There's a whole world of flavors to explore, from the soothing chamomile to the invigorating peppermint. And the best part? These delicious brews pack a punch of health benefits. Simply steep your chosen herb in boiling water for a few minutes, strain and enjoy. But herbal teas are just the beginning. Have you considered using herbs in your cooking? Fresh or dried, herbs can add a burst of flavor to your meals, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. Try sprinkling rosemary on your roasted vegetables, or adding basil to your homemade tomato sauce. Not only will your taste buds thank you, but your body will too, as these herbs are packed with nutrients and antioxidants. And let's not forget about the joy of growing your own herb garden. It's a rewarding endeavor that can be done no matter how much or little space you have. From windowsill pots to backyard patches, there's an option for everyone. Plus, having your own supply of herbs at your fingertips ensures you're getting the freshest, most potent benefits. Imagine stepping outside and plucking a few sprigs of parsley for your salad, or snipping some mint for your tea. It's a form of self-sufficiency that's both empowering and gratifying. Even beyond the kitchen, herbs can be incorporated into your lifestyle in other ways. Consider making your own herbal remedies, like salves and tinctures, or using herbs in your skincare routine. The possibilities are truly endless, so start small. Choose one or two herbs that resonate with you and explore the different ways you can use them. Remember, it's not about a complete lifestyle overhaul, but rather about making small, sustainable changes that can have a big impact over time. With a little creativity, you can easily harness the power of herbs to enhance your health and wellness. As we look to the future, the role of herbs and holistic health is likely to become even more significant. The world is on the brink of a health revolution, where the wisdom of ancient practices converges with modern science. More and more, people are embracing the power of nature, turning to herbs and other natural remedies to maintain and improve their health. This shift towards holistic health isn't just a trend, it's a reflection of a deeper understanding that true wellness encompasses more than just the absence of disease. It's about achieving balance, enhancing resilience, and nurturing our bodies in a way that supports our overall well-being. What's driving this change? A growing body of research is unveiling the profound health benefits hidden within nature's bounty. For instance, scientists are exploring the potential of turmeric in fighting inflammation, lavender for promoting relaxation, or ginseng for boosting energy levels. These are just the tip of the iceberg, with countless herbs waiting to reveal their healing properties. Yet it's not just about the individual herbs, it's the holistic approach that's genuinely transformative. This perspective recognizes that each person is unique, with their own set of health needs and goals. Therefore, the future of holistic health will likely involve personalized herbal regimens tailored to each individual's specific needs. Moreover, as we venture into this exciting era, we must remember the importance of sustainability. The herbs we treasure today are gifts from Mother Nature, and we must ensure they continue to thrive for future generations. This calls for responsible sourcing and cultivation practices, which value both the health of the individual and the health of the planet. In the realm of health and wellness, the power of herbs is truly a treasure waiting to be discovered. As we delve deeper into the world of holistic health, we're not just learning about herbs, but also about ourselves, our bodies, and the intricate balance that keeps us thriving. The journey is just beginning, and the future holds unimaginable promise.